instead of serving customers. Are you tired of the snow?
Yeah. It's no business right now, so we can open a restaurant right now. So what can I do?
While some families made snowmans, went sledding, and allowed their pets to get their paws in the snow, other New Yorkers had some advice for those tired of the winter whiteout.
Always keep one of these around and maybe have a little shovel from Home Depot or something where you can keep it in the car and dig yourself out.
Move to Florida.
And another live look at where we are right now in Forest Hill, Queens. You can see a lot of slush on the ground, almost icy slush on the ground. That is what is left of this snowfall here today. And I wonder if Darren can show, this is actually pretty. This is when the snow falls just the right amount, and you can see how pretty, picturesque it looks here. But don't let the prettiness fool you. You know, officials say that things will be dangerous later, icy conditions, and the roads, and city officials are asking you to try to stay off the roads so they can clean everything up before the morning commute. And Kaidi, as you mentioned, Mayor de Blasio is saying schools, in-person learning will be going on tomorrow, so kids will have to be expected to go to school if they are registered for in-class learning. For now, we are live in Forest Hills, Queens. Jennifer Bisram, Pix 11 News.
Yeah, Jennifer, when the camera person pans up into the trees, it is so pretty. And then you look at the slush and the nonsense on the streets. Thank you so much for that, Jennifer. Enough already, right? The city's specialized high school admission tests have been postponed because of the storm, but students will be able to take the test sometime soon. The Department of Education made that announcement today on Twitter. The tests were supposed to take place today, but they have now been rescheduled. The DOE says all students can take the test sometime later this month, and the affected families will be informed about the updated test dates this coming week. Well, this winter storm is impacting vaccine appointments all across our area. Several state and New York City vaccine hubs closed down, including Jones Beach, Stony Brook, Aqueduct, and several others. But some of the largest ones, like Yankee Stadium and the Javits Center, they're still in business today. Pix 11's McGee live for us right now in Javits with the very latest, including some, I understand, encouraging news. McGee.
Yes, we have good news to tell you for a change about COVID. But first, here at Javits Center, there's been a steady stream of vaccine seekers, some with appointments, some without. Those without were turned away. And the encouraging news comes from Governor Cuomo. Mayor de Blasio's numbers weren't as encouraging.
Always worth it. I'm coming for my second shot, so I want to make sure I cover all my bases, and snowstorm isn't going to keep me away.
Nadia Sandozi was so relieved that the Javits Center stayed open for vaccine appointments during this Sunday snowstorm because this healthcare worker clearly wanted that second shot. Governor Cuomo releasing encouraging new numbers that hospitalizations were at the lowest numbers since before Christmas, 7,649, down by 155 patients from the day before, and that the one-day positivity rate was at its lowest since November 27th. At 4%, signs that the virus is slowing in the state.
I don't have an appointment today.
Oh.
But if they have left over, I want to get it.
But this 59-year-old hairdresser from Long Island City was told no vaccine for him because supplies are running low. Mayor de Blasio tweeted that there were still 197 new COVID hospitalizations, 2,471 new cases, and the positivity rate was slightly above 8% in the 7-day average. A new study found that the virus variant first found in Britain is rapidly spreading in the U.S., doubling every 10 days. And on Face the Nation, the COVID-19 lead for the World Health Organization had a warning.
Because the more opportunities this virus has to spread, the more opportunities it has to change. So we need to make sure we prevent as many infections as we can.
And despite the continuing snow, Bob Orgel trekked in from Valley Stream out on the island, hoping this third try is the charm.
I've been canceled twice already. This is my third time. And I haven't gotten it once yet. So yeah, I thought it was a good idea.